God versus proof. Let y be a solution and let y1 and y2 be linearly independent solutions of a2 y quotes plus a1 y prime plus a0 y equals 0 on an interval I. Now, suppose that x equals t is a point in I for which w times y1 times t, y2 times t does not equal 0. Suppose also that y times t equals k1 and y prime times t equals k2, period. If we now examine the equations c1 y1 times t plus c2 y2 times t equals k1, c1 y prime 1 times t plus c2 y prime 2 t equals k2. It follows that we can determine c1 and c2 uniquely provided that the determinant of the coefficient satisfies absolute value y1 times t, y2 times t, y1 prime times t, y prime 2 times t does not equal 0. But this determinant is simply the Wronskian evaluated at x equals t. And by assumption, w does not equal 0. If we define g times x equals c1 y1 times x plus c2 y2 times x, we observe that g times x satisfies the differential equation since it is a superposition of two known solutions g times x with a dot and a comma between solutions in g times x. Grammar satisfies the initial conditions. G times t equals c1 y1 times t plus c2 y2 times t equals k1. And g prime times t equals c1 y prime 1 times t plus c2 y prime t c2 y prime 2 times t equals k2 dot comma. Grammar. Also known in English literature as a semicolon. And y times x satisfies the same linear equation, the same initial conditions, because the solution of this linear initial value problem is unique. Parentheses, theorem 4.1.1, we have y times x equals g times x, or y times x equals c1 y1 times x plus c2 y2 times x. And then, after there's proof and there's limits, there's quiet and silence in a building called a hotel with a room I rent paid to an apartment landowner building. And God and proof are no longer valid when example 7, general solution of a homogeneous DE and non-homogeneous equations in 4.1.3, and the mystery of electricity and energy, and a foot and a hand cause distraction and confusion for those viewers of a video and an image moving. God said to a proof in a Bible was a Hebrews verse. Not about it and that and this and them and pronouns and psycholinguistics and neurolinguistics and a degree to allow a person to lock another human up in a room who hasn't committed a crime, who hasn't killed another human, who hasn't harassed and bullied and assaulted and threatened, until a Christian white man and his 4 friends said to me, now, and a Tibetan Chinese American woman said to me now, I don't need to eat. They've got colloidal silver in both of those locations in Washington State, and plenty of supplements involving vitamins and minerals, and a glass, coincidentally full, but only half filled with water. Now, now,